Hey, this is Brad with another movement reset. We're going to be focusing on flexibility using a foam roller, and we're going to be focusing on the lower body, so our glutes, our IT band, our calves, and our quads. So if this is going to start out just seated on the foam roller, and even here you can kind of get a little bit of your glutes just by leaning side to side, but you can make this more intense by putting a leg up and then lean onto that butt cheek. So the leg that comes up, that same side's glute, you're going to lay on. And then you're just gonna roll back and forth and change kind of the angle that you're leaning against that foam roller. And you wanna find any knots and then pause when you find those knots or a tender point. Then I like to just do little kind of flexing movements here, just to work that knot out a little bit. So you're gonna wanna hit that glute, and then you can hit it on the other side as well. Just switch over, make sure you're doing both sides. You might not need to spend as long on each side, but you're essentially going through and searching for tension, knots, pain, and then trying to work those out. But if you don't find anything, you don't have to spend too long on it. So the next move, we're just gonna go down the leg. We're gonna go into an IT band roll. So the IT band is on the outside of your thigh, and it starts all the way up at your hip. So you can kind of roll the side of your hip, and then trying to keep your leg as straight as you can, just start to roll out onto that side of your leg. Again, with all of these moves with the foam roller, you want to try different angles. You want to hit the muscle and work the muscle from different angles. Searching for those spots. We're not just blindly rolling. We're searching for the points that need a little bit of pressure. And then we're flexing and kind of just allowing that pressure to leave. Nice. So that's your IT band. You can do that on both sides. And then it's really easy to just hit your hamstrings, which for me don't usually need it, but and then your calves too. And you can cross your legs and hit the outside of your calves, the inside of your calves. When you find that spot, I just like to pump the brakes. So I pause when I find a knot, I pump the brakes, I breathe, take a big inhale, hold it, let that tension dissipate, and then move around and find the next spot. So from the top, we got our glutes, using that glute of the up leg. We got our IT band on the side. And by the way, this one's really easy to just take it into your quad too. So while you're looking around, you might as well get a little bit of the quad and just check in. Everything you're trying to do with this foam rolling is just checking in at the joints, checking in with your body and finding those places that just need a little massage. After the IT band, we get hamstrings and calves. And so that's just an easy way to hit that whole lower body and kind of get that stress and tension out of it. Hope you enjoy it.